So today, Anthony Mendez, Mr. Mendez is coming.
Wow, how
Yeah,
cool.
he told me like between 11:30 and 12 he will
Okay.
be coming with his girlfriend.
Okay,
They're
Sounds
gonna
good.
see the sofas and see what's better for them.
sounds good. Is that the guy that we were talking about last week?
Yeah.
The influencer?
Yeah, the fitness influencer. Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited he's coming today because I thought he won't be able, but that's great.
Awesome, very good. Very, very good. I'm excited.
I hope he likes one of this.
I'm pretty
actually.
sure the good thing is that he is coming and he's able to see the different materials and the comfort. Do look a little bit different. It varies depending on what kind of leather. A best example would be, for instance, this is dark brown and synthetic leather. So this would be dark brown and Italian leather. You know, they kind of, this is buffalo leather, which is this kind of leather. You know, and then this is the synthetic that I was.
I don't.
So would you just put it here?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Bed, recliner.
Everybody gets something out of it.
If she cleaned the bed already, so I need at least something for me, right? Changed our whole mind when we were coming into it.
There's a lot of good choices.
Yeah, it's
That's
always
good.
better to come and see things in person, you know, to make sure you are making the right decision, especially with the little ones.
All right.
Definitely.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Thank you so
for
much.
coming.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank you
keep
for
guys posted.
connecting.
Here we go.
Alright,
Have a
bye.
good
We'll
day.
see you.
I have to record this. Matt, what are you doing?
Trying to get this thing open.
Like with your teeth?
Listen, I didn't know you were sitting here with this camera on me. Like, watch out. Like, this is how we use this up.
Matt, what are you doing?
I'm resting. I just did the table.
What do you mean resting? You need to clean up that mess you made.
I will. Like, hold on. Let me descansa. Like,
No, nothing descansa. You have to clean that now. Don't be lazy.
look at the. Okay.
What we will do if somebody comes in and sees that?
It's clean.
So guys, we are going to one of, we have another VIP customer, very, very special, and we're doing the delivery. and we're gonna be taking some pictures and of the sofas that he bought and of him as well, hopefully. I look forward to that. We've been waiting for that, so keep watching.
Are you sure?
Because it's right hand side.
I'm gonna move this a little bit forward. It's the best part.